Python list methods. To use method, create and list. Type the variable name, and wait 2 seconds, it shows list of methods we can use. Append. It will add an object to end of a list. The object can be integer, float, string, or even a variable. Clear. It will remove all elements from the list. It doesn't take any argument. Copy. It will copy the list, and we can store in a new variable. It doesn't take any argument. Count. It counts the number of times the given argument is present in the list. It takes one argument. Extend. It takes one argument. Argument must be iterable, means sequence of elements. It can be list, tuple, set, or string. It add the iterable to the list. The difference between append and extend is, extend will add the iterable as list, but append add the iterable as tuple. Index. It takes at least one argument. It will return the index position of the given argument. It has two optional arguments: start and stop. Start searching from this index, and stop, search the element up to this index. Insert. Takes two argument, index and object. It will insert an given object to the list, in a given index position. Object can be integer, float, string or other data types. Pop. It takes one argument, index. It will return the value of given index, and the value will be removed from the list. Remove. It takes one argument, value. It will remove the value from the list. Only the first one. If it present in 3 times, it only removes first. Reverse. It takes no arguments. It will reverse the element order in the list. Sort. It takes two optional arguments, key and reverse. Without argument, it sort the list in ascending order. With reverse equals true, it sort the list in descending order. Key takes a function to specify the sorting criteria. We can use inbuilt or user-defined function.